The practice of building cob houses dates back to ancient times, rooted in sustainability and resourcefulness. Cob, a natural building material made from clay, sand, and straw, has been used across the globe due to its availability and insulating properties. Unlike standard bricks, cob is molded into shape while wet, allowing creative freedom in construction. These earthen structures maintain a stable interior climate and have remarkable durability, standing for hundreds of years when well maintained. In recent years, cob houses are seeing a resurgence among those seeking eco-friendly, self-sustaining living solutions, blending age-old techniques with modern design aesthetics.